where your morals? Hit it in friend zone and keep it cordial.
Look, like why you ain't stay? Why the people that love you the most always treat you like you in the way? I've been giving you money and time. Why you acting like you not okay? You expressing yourself when you post. When I'm here, you got nothing to say. Every day you be having me stressed.
Shit getting out of hand now.
Fuck an intro. Fuck a good morning. Have a bad morning.
Fuck a good day. Make it a bad day.
I'm confused to why I'm coming out my crib. Niggas is tagging me. Niggas are saying, yo, go look in your car. Asking me if I'm okay and shit. Why the fuck I come outside to this shit?
What the fuck you laughing at, bitch?
I really don't like that guy.
Nah, yo, gang. The one day I don't get my shit in the garage. The one day I don't get my shit in the fucking garage, bro. This shit happens. Like, yo, bro. This bitch is weird.
I'm about to be on some real murder shit, eh?
And no rip, I already know who the fuck did it. Like, I don't know. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Bitch is weird, bro. I mean, she got her home from work like an hour ago. I mean, she's fucking on my nap. Like, she's ringing my phone down. Like, yo, bro. But you know, I can't, bro. I can't. But matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? She want attention? I'll give her attention. You know what we're gonna do? Yeah. I'm gonna give her some attention. Put that shit right in the back of the motherfucker and go around the hood with it. Fuck it. I mean, bitches wanna be weird? I'll be weird too. Fuck it, for me. I ain't gonna be mad at it. And it's Halloween too? Fuck it, it's what it is. So I'm gonna do that shit and do whatever. Fuck it. Huh? Just being me, I guess. I'm chilling. So I baited. I was like, for me, I had the plan scheduled out, but you know, black people timing is never on time. For me, especially when it's last minute. So I'm about to go to freaking K Lane. The school about to finish. Well, they been came out 3:12 for my man's told me. So I'm about to go over there, get some reactions. I got some reactions right now. Yo, somebody came up to me and was like, yo, bro, I'm sorry. I'm like, yo. Alright, so we almost there. Got my pops on and shit. One thing about over here, the fucking roads are shit. Late as a reaction. Well, I guess that was obviously K-Lane kids, so they out the motherfucking school already. Shit, I'm late as fuck. I'm 10 minutes late, but you don't feel me. You know, at the time, I was never on time, type shit. I see a purple car from here. But he was up behind a car, couldn't see him. getting no bomb clout reactions. Damn, I'm fucking baited, bro. Who the fuck leaves school this early? Motherfucker leave school on time and shit over here. What the fuck? Niggas don't hang around. This generation ass. Yo, move out the fucking way, nigga. This generation ass. No one hangs out no more. Like, where the corner stores at? Like, I gotta spin to get some fucking attention. Look at these two dick suckers. I see them, you know. I can't get some more. I can't. I hope they don't see me. Damn, bitch. She about to just straight on hit my shit. Yo, I'm so mad, bro. Like, these little niggas, like, these young kids don't hang out no more. They go straight home. Like, what the fuck, bro? And I came all the way on this side to, like, I don't feel like going to the other side of Atlantic and shit, bro. Cause, like, you know, I thought it'd be young niggas all over. Yo. I mean, these niggas, I thought it was, that's crazy, bro. Nigga, what I was gonna ask, I mean, I wasn't always outside, but damn, we used to hang out for at least 30 minutes, an hour, from me. At least have a hangout spot. Niggas don't even hang out at the corner store. That niggas go straight home. Like, I thought these young niggas a bunch of cocoa felons, a whole bunch of good kids and shit. This generation ass.
Hello? That's not funny!
Next morning.
Yo, what's going on? Top of the afternoon, top of the morning, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm about to go ahead to my son Shiesty crib. He said he want to give me a wash for, you know, content. I'm like, fuck it for me. I support all the content addicts, you know. So, yo, it was crazy. Even my boss called me when I was leaving work. He called me later on like, yo, Chubby, what happened to you? Like, I didn't let the girl get one up on you. I'm like, bro. I was speechless, bro. I was like, fuck, you know. Happens to the best of us, you know. Fuck it, is what it is. I have no response to that. So, but yeah, everybody go ahead to my son's crib, get the shit washed off. Yeah. All right, just reached my son A crib. Whoa, real quick. Yeah, that shit right there. Sheesh. What? Brand new. And none of that, all that gone. All that gone. What that says? Nothing. Cause it gone. It gone.